Hi all, welcome to my video. Today in this video, together we will model this part. Let's start. First, I will open a new part and I will use a different method now because the pattern you saw in the screen I import from a file. That's a DXF file. I will say open and I go to directory in my desktop. I select this part. You can find this pattern online easily. You write on the internet, the Google and a Voronoi pattern, you will get it. I say OK, open, import to a new part as to the sketch. Next one, select here millimeters, next, and finish. So now pattern in our sketch environment. We close sketch. We touch here. We see this is 11 by 15. So what I'm gonna do first is will be converted to a 3D model, 0.2 height, and then I will close this. Then after I go to mold tools and scale. I select this one and 6 will be the scaling value. I say OK. It is now scaled. It will be like 90 by 70. Yes. Then on the top plane, I will create a sketch. I will look normal to, and I will place here 2 lines. Select these 2 guys, make them construction geometry. Hide part. So we will continue to work on this one. A rectangle. Place in the center of this 2 line a rectangle. 55 by 90. And then radius 25. OK. We close sketch. Select sketch. Features. Extrude both base. Now the value will be 13 downwards with 30-degree angle. I say OK. Fillet 5. You select a fillet edge and add that edge a fillet of 5. Then shell 1.5. Okay. We got this. Select tangency. You don't need to do that in fact. Just one here and another here will be 0.75 I think, or smaller. Yes, it's good. We get this one and now we have this pattern here. What we're gonna do now is select top plane, front plane in fact, and then make offset of 3. Plane 1 generated. We go split line, intersection active, sections selected plane 1, and the other will be surfaces. What I'm doing here, just creating in this section and a line. I break surface into 2 segments, and then so I can use it as a line. I create it on this plane as sketch. Right click, select tangency, that split line selected, reverse 0.5, and now I have here a 0.5 mm offsetted sketch from that original. I close this one. I show this guy. Sketch selected. Extrude cut. This side, flip side to cut. Auto select, unclick, and I will select only this one. Okay, this is good. Now on top plane, one more time sketch. We select that sketch that we use for cut. Convert entities. Right click on that sketch, select chain, offset of 1.5 I think. this. Now we close it. It is looking something like that. We may make it a little bit smaller, I think. Let's make it 1. Okay. Then extrude both base to a point. If you select here a point, it will make an extrude to that point. And this is it. After we hide that plane, maybe we will use it again, but we will see. So I select here, move, select this part. I will translate in Z direction -3. Okay, something like this. Let's take a section, maybe planes are not in the center. That's normally I always try to make in the center, but because we import a sketch, we couldn't define it. I created here a plane, and I want to see here how it looks like. Yeah, it is how I intended. It's good. As a last operation, we will create here some little notches, so that will hold apart. Some maybe it is good that we assign here some colors to be able to distinguish them. This one, right click, body, you'll be like this, bro, or a little bit more contrast. This can also help. Okay, yes, a bit better. So we hide this guy, we hide this guy, and on the plane I create a sketch. Okay, I select this line, offset 1.5. At the other side I will select this line again, offset 0.5 to other side. Okay, this is good. I combine this. I will select my midpoint again here. I can in fact convert these two, make them again construction line. Mirror is this. This is the axis. Okay, I will not do for the other side. You can repeat the same, but I will just show it here. Extrude both base, up to body, here, merge result, active, but with this body. Up to body also, this one, it's okay. So let's take one more time a section there and see what happened. I created there something like this to make sure that is sitting in the right height. And also we need to add here. You need to do that as well. And what I see, because we in fact cutted our base pattern, some edges are sharp. So you can have fillet and just let's say 2, something like this. Can make it a little bit better. It looks fine, right? Yes. This was it, guys. In fact, the rest is repeating the same operations I have done. I think you can do that. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit the like button and drop a comment. See you in another video.